What I see often when I prepare a summons and petition, these are the documents that you would prepare to initiate a divorce proceeding. What I see whenever the other party is served is that they instinctively just freak out, understandably. They are essentially being sued for divorce. They are being taken to court on a divorce matter. And divorce, for a lot of people, is a very landmark thing in their lives. This is something that usually stands out when it comes to major events in a person's life. And people understandably freak out, and they have these sort of knee-jerk reactions. They instinctively believe that they are at war when they are served with a summons and petition for a divorce. What I would try to advise the public is that just because you get served with a document, which is a very impersonal and very stoic document, it's really hard to get a sense of attitude or tone. They just need to understand that just because they're served with a summons and petition for a divorce doesn't necessarily mean that the person who's filing is declaring war on you. It's not a war of it's not a declaration of war. They're simply just initiating this divorce proceeding that the two of you probably saw coming anyways. And it doesn't preclude the possibility that it can be amicable, that the parties can still reach, an agreement, and that they can still finalize their divorce without ever having to step foot in court, without having to really litigate heavily on the issues. It is still something that can be resolved amicably. And sometimes it's very regrettable that sometimes parties just react so negatively when they're served with paperwork because they instinctively want to protect their interests, or they, for whatever reason, feel like they should fight it. And that's really the wrong attitude to take when going into a divorce proceeding. Really, when you are served the paperwork for a divorce, you should believe that it is possible to negotiate, to reach a settlement, to try to iron out whatever misunderstandings or conflicts there are between the parties.